Hi everyone, welcome to Dorothy's Kitchen and Garden channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make my banana cake. I do consider banana cake to be one of the easiest cake to make. All you need is a banana and a few other ingredients to suit your taste and preference. So for my banana cake guys, I'll be using a quarter cup of butter, 1 cup of fine brown sugar, and an equal amount of flour, a cup of flour, well sieved, and of course the main ingredients, which is the banana, and 1 egg, a cup of whole almond, and a quarter cup of split almond to glaze the top of the cake, and of course a cup of milk. And then I'll also be putting a pinch of salt and some lemon juice. I do like taking out the slimy bits that is attached to the yolk of the egg. In the comments below guys, let me know if you do the same. For my banana guys, I do not like mashing it so finely. I like, having some bits of bananas, just to help give the cake that texture. So I'm not going to beat my banana so much, and I always like to mix my lemon juice with banana. So I'm showing you the 1 cup of sieved flour, 1 cup of fine brown sugar, 1 egg, and a cup of milk, and then a quarter cup of whole almonds. Okay, I love almonds in, they add to the texture. A cup of split almonds, melted butter, a pinch of salt, and of course my well mashed banana mixed with lemon juice. If you liked it, guys, give it a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe. May the Lord bless you. May He cause His face to shine upon you. Bye for now, guys. Shalom.